gitar. Pana bzabin. Bzabin.
So this is the story of Lamazan and the story of the magic chicken, what the donation of one chicken can do to the life of a young man to help transform not only his life but the life of his family.
We are in Kamonyi district, southern province of Rwanda. We are visiting one of the beneficiaries that Survivors Fund has supported through the good gifts. His name is Ramadan Sachindi. It's started rearing chicken. He started with 4 and now has they've multiplied along the way. So we are visiting him to hear his story, how the chicken have taken him to another level, as they will speak to us.
Kwita murengeza aho nabikuye narabuze perime narayibuze buri narabuze ubushobozi ariko inkoko y'ubwayo bwite niyo yatumye mbona perime maze kubona perime inkirira umuriro mu nzu mbanyise murengeza buryo kuko yankuye aharenga.
3 important things which make him call this chicken the magic chicken, which in Kinyarwanda means murenges. 1, he had for a long time wanted to get a driving permit and he couldn't get it, but because of this chicken that he sold the offspring and got a driving permit. The second one is that he was able to buy a cow from the sale of this chicken. And thirdly, he has electricity in his house now. And it's because of the selling from his chicken that he managed to get the electricity fixed in his house. So those 3 things sum up why he has all the reason to call this chicken redeemer. He is married with 2 children, and his ambition again is that the portrait project he's doing will pay school fees for his children, that they will not miss out on education like he did because of lack of money to go to school. So he wants to extend it, ensure that his kids go to school and that his wife gets also employed within the project, and they can work together as a family to support each other in the project, but with the ambition that his kids will go through school and to university because of the income he will get from the portrait project.
So this is a big thank you to Good Gifts and all of the donors that have supported the Good Gifts programme.